Welcome to the world of wholesome grain bowls, where health meets taste in the most delicious way. Let's explore the variety of grains used in these bowls, each packed with essential nutrients. Now, let's dive into the cooking techniques. Starting with the grains, here's how to cook them to perfection. Next, we'll roast some vegetables and prepare our proteins. Watch closely. A great grain bowl isn't complete without a flavorful dressing. Let's mix one up. Now comes the fun part, assembling our grain bowl. Let's start with a layer of our perfectly cooked grains. Next, we add our roasted vegetables and protein. Look at those vibrant colors. Finally, we drizzle our homemade dressing over the top. Doesn't that look delicious? And there you have it, a nutritious and visually stunning wholesome grain bowl. But don't stop here. The possibilities are endless when it comes to grain bowl combinations. So, what are you waiting for? Get creative and make your own wholesome grain bowl today. Remember, a healthy meal doesn't have to be boring. With wholesome grain bowls, you can have both nutrition and flavor,